How's it going, guys? So in this video, I'll be discussing a site called tradelines.net and get into more details. So I want to get into detail about the auto trade line packages. So if you're trying to get a car, I highly recommend you get a auto trade line because it will get you approved faster with lower interest rates. All right, so this one, they'll give you a Nissan trade line, a Ford trade line, a Honda trade line. Reports in 12 days, 5 years of history, all credit bureaus stay on for 7 years, CPN friendly. Yeah, so this right here is about 60K limit. So if you're trying to get a car for around 40 to 60K, then you get approved with 0 down. So the highest package, if you try and get a car for way over 100K, 200K, this is what you got to get, $1,100. This is the tier 1 package, which is recommended if you're trying to get, like a Cybertruck or Audi or 8 or a Lamborghini, for example. What else they have? They have the business CPNs. Business CPNs is, the business lines, I mean. The business lines package, you could add this onto the CPNs. So you can actually get an LLC under the CPN and get approved for business loans. And these CPNs already have bank accounts, so you can easily deposit it to your CPN bank. And of course, they got the credit repair. Also, they have the Navy Federal trade line as well. Revolving trade lines really increases your credit score, getting you approved for credit cards. Helps with Amex too. If you're trying to get Amex Platinum, I recommend the tier 1. If you're trying to get the gold, I recommend the tier 2. So let's see what else they have right here. So 3 revolving lines, so they're pretty much open credit card accounts, no negative history, payoff history, lower utilization. So it reports 500 spent every single month. Stays on for 4 years, but most likely it could stay on for longer or it's permanent. Report to all credit bureaus. This will be either CPN or under your name. Yeah, so they have mortgages as well. But yeah, so anyone's, these are good. And the AUs are okay. I recommend you just get the CPNs or the auto trade lines. CPNs, so basically these are already made, so you have an option to pick wherever you want. They have a lot of trade lines, so this basically helps you get approved for pretty much anything. This is the best thing I've ever seen. $1,500 is actually a steal. Most companies, they'll charge you like $3,000 to $5,000, but this is actually pretty cheap. Because reporting trade lines don't really cost much money if you have the software. But for you to have a software, you also have to be a data furnisher to report pretty much any trade line. So this is why they price it for this much. And you can get approved for basically right here, it says over 100K personal loans, over 100K in credit cards. So each credit card, you can really get like a 50K credit card easy. And the sites, you can watch my previous videos or just Google the top 10 sites to apply for, but you can get 5 to 10 credit cards easy, even 15 to 20 credit cards. If you buy, the more CPNs you buy, basically you get more credit lines, you get more credit cards. And cashing out is not that hard as well. You can do a cash advance or just spend it in your business and then just profit off of that. But yeah, the site is tradelines.net. I'll leave the links below. Pretty solid site. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find this helpful, just subscribe and like this video.